हेलो माय लवली स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज महिमा। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। अब हम करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 फ्रॉम चैप्टर सर्कल्स। ओके, सो लेट्स फर्स्ट रीड द क्वेश्चन। सो द क्वेश्चन सेज प्रूव दैट opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtends supplementary angles at the center of the circle. Okay, so I have a quadrilateral here ABCD and it circumscribes a circle. Okay, now I have marked all 8 angles this way A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, now we have to prove that opposite angles, that is angle COD and AOB, opposite angles at the center of this circle, subtended at the center of this circle are supplementary. So we will prove that angle COD and angle AOB are supplementary. That means we will prove that their sum is 180. So two angles are said to be supplementary when their sum is 180. So to prove is angle COD plus angle AOB is 180 degree. Okay. Now to do this, consider these two triangles, triangle ROD and triangle SOD. Consider these two triangles. In these two triangles, we have OR equals to OS. Why they are equal? Because they are radii of same circle, right? And OD is the common side of these two triangles. And DS equals to DR. DR equals to DS. Why they are equal? Because we know that the tangents drawn from external point are equal in length. So therefore they are equal tangents. Okay, so you can mention the reason here. Now, so we can say that using these three conditions, we can say that these triangles are congruent, right? So triangle ROD is congruent to triangle SOD. Using which congruency? This is SS congruency. We have these two triangles as congruent. Okay. So since these two triangles are congruent, we will have angle B equals to angle C by CPCT. So angle B equals to angle C because corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal, right? So angle B equals to angle C. Now we have proved that angle B equals to angle C by CPCT, right? Similarly, we can say angles A equals to angle H, angle A equals to angle H. Also, angle G equals to angle F and angle D equals to angle E. Angle D equals to angle E, right? Now sum of all 8 angles would be 360 because they form a complete angle. Now angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E plus angle F plus angle G plus angle H would be 360, right? Now since B and C are equal, I can write it as twice of angle B, right? Also angle D is equals to angle E, so I can write it as twice of angle E. Also G and F are equal, so I can write it as twice of angle F and plus angle H as it is. This is 360. Now angle A equals to angle H, so I can write it as twice of angle A, right? So taking 2 common, I have angle A plus angle B plus angle E plus angle F This is 360. Now what is angle A plus angle B? So this is angle COD plus E plus F is angle AOB. Now taking 2 to that side, I'll have 360 by 2, which is 180. So we have proved that angle COD plus angle AOB equals to 180. Similarly, we can also say angle AOD plus angle BOC is 180. So we have proved that opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtend supplementary angles at the center of the circle. Hence, this is the proof.